Okay guys, so
Wow. Okay.
now I've decided to show you guys a haul of everything I got for my birthday. So all of this I'll not buy now. I have it for like a very long time. This dress and all is like a year old. I bought it 1 year ago, thinking that I'll wear it for my birthday, and it's been a year and I still haven't worn it. So yeah, I just have a lot of clothes here. I'm going to show you all the dresses I bought for my birthday. So yeah, let's just begin with it. So one of the oldest dresses I have is this. This gives Wednesday Adam vibes, you know. It's a pretty black frock. I'll add a video or a picture of me in the side wearing this dress. So yeah, I don't know the price and I don't even remember where I got it. It's been very long since I got it. So yeah, this is the first option. I'm thinking of carrying this, but the thing is I'm going alone.
Quoi?
And this is a little bit heavy. I don't know. I'm just going to carry one bag, so it's going to be difficult for me to, you know. I don't know. I'm very skeptical. Let's think about this. This is first dress, and this. When I asked my friends, they have mixed feelings about this dress. So I got this in Zudio. So the actual price is 600 and I got it for sale at 300. This is a crop top, and on top of the crop top comes this what is this, frock type situation. So this is the frock and this is the top that goes under it. I feel it's cute, I feel it's nice. I don't know, let's see. Next we have another frock. I have a lot of blacks, okay, please don't mind. So next is this frock, gown, whatever. This is like short in the front and long in the back kind of a situation. I feel this is also good, but it's a little too deep for me. So I don't know. Let's see. I might not carry. I'm gonna put it in this chair. So yeah, this I'm definitely wearing. This I'm definitely carrying. I don't care what others say. I bought it because I liked it and I'm gonna wear it. That's it. Okay. Next we have this black jumpsuit. I'm thinking I'll carry this as well. This is also a little bit heavy, but I think it will work. I can even wear it, you know, like chill, just for like a walk around the area and stuff. This has pockets, guys. That's the best part. It has pockets. And yeah, it's very body hugging. It's nice. It's soft material. I might or might not carry, so we'll put it there for now. Next is this. This is a very cute night dress. It comes with a little bit of a scrunchie. I got this in Reliance and it is 500 rupees. It's really good. I like it. And this is so soft. This llama is so soft. And yeah, I like this dress. Night dress. I'm gonna be wearing this every single day mostly. So yeah, this is definitely a yes. Next I have this blue jeans, very comfortable. This also I got from Reliance only. The jeans in Reliance is actually really comfortable. I'd gone for a grocery shopping with my parents and then I saw these outfits and stuff that was there. I was like, why not buy it? So I have a few from Reliance. So this is 7.99. It's really good jeans, okay? It has this situation here. Yeah, it's really, it was an offer. I don't remember the offer price, but yeah, it is good. I think it was half, I think 400 or something. And a jeans like this for 400, it's really good. I have another light blue jeans that I wear very often, that is also from Reliance. It's super comfortable. I'm very comfortable in that, and it's high waisted as well. So high waist with one button. The high waist jeans with, you know, like 3-4 buttons, I'm not a fan of. Just one button is good. And yeah, this is comfortable. I'm definitely carrying this as well. Next we have, okay, it's just a legging that I got, so that we're carrying. these are the tops that I have. Okay, first one is this one shoulder top. I don't have the tag or anything. I don't even remember from where I got it. This is a one shoulder top. Me and my sister have the same top. I got my sister also the same thing. We're definitely going to be twinning. I'll check if she has left it here. If it is here, I'm definitely carrying it and we both are twinning. So yeah, this I really love this top. It looks so good on me. It's black again. So yeah, I don't know the price. Please don't ask me. Next, again, this also I got from Reliance only. I like the color a lot, and I thought, it's just like I can wear it casually, maybe like to college or somewhere. If I just go out for shopping and stuff like that, I can definitely wear this. It's really nice. I like it. Anyway, so we got this cutie here. I really like the color. I feel this color looks good on me. So yeah, that's one top. Oh, this one, I really like this white collar and this white thing here. This also I got for sale. Original price is $2.99. I think I got it for $99. This is a steal. This is also for $99, I guess. So yeah, it's really cute top. I absolutely love it. I love the color. I love the design in the collar, and I like the text. I like the how there are multiple colors in this and very popping. Just wear it with a simple white or a blue jeans. Black or a blue jeans, it look really cool. So yeah, I got this top, and I got this as well. I don't know the price. This also I had got like very long ago. So this is just a chill tank top, like if I'm just chilling. So yeah, it has California beach and all of those stuff written all over it. So yeah, this one crop top, this one tank top. Next we have another top from Zudio. Oh, I got this in sale for 99 rupees. The actual price was 179. I got this in very long ago sale. So yeah, this is just one casual top from kids section. I got it. 13 to 14 years. It fits perfectly for me. All my Zudio clothes are like 13 to 14 year kids section only. So yeah, this fits me perfectly, and we have it. Oh, I also have a heels and a shoe. Just wait, I'll get it. Okay, yeah, I've had a few clothes that was in my bed which I didn't see. Okay, then we have this top. Again, I got this from Reliance. I really like this, stone work here. I think this was for $199 or $99. I don't know. The actual price is $3.99, but I don't know how much I got it for. I feel it's very minimalistic and very cute and nice. I know I have a lot of blacks. Please don't comment on that. But yeah, I got this top. Then my mom got this for me from exhibition. I love the texture and I feel it looks really good on me. But my friends were saying not so much. I don't know. You be the judge of it. So this is like a velvet material here, and this is also very body hugging kind of a thing. I like it. It has a cute collar and everything. It gives that vintage aesthetic vibes. So yeah, I got this top as well. I have a lot of it. Okay. Next, I got this from Zudio. When I got that pizza top, I had gotten this as well. I got this for this. I really like this detailing. It's super cute. So yeah, I like the front part, okay, but the back is a little, off. I don't know, I'm not a fan of this, but it was cute. I just thought, how much was this? This was just 99. Yeah, it was just 99 for sale. So I was like, it's fine, let's just get it. This is also from kids section, age 13 to 14 years, and it fits me well, so I just got it. Next, we have this frock. I don't know if I should carry this, if I should wear it. I don't know. It is like old, vintage, kind of dull color actually. It makes me look a little dull and tired, old, sick vibe. But if I wear it with the cute stockings and pearl jewelry, I thought it will look good while I bought it. This also I bought when I bought that Wednesday dress. I don't know if I'll be carrying it. Let's see. Oh, this I'm not carrying, by the way. So yeah. Next we have this really cute heels. I absolutely love these heels. They are so cute, so pretty. They match with every outfit. When I was trying. Okay, yeah. So this is a really cute heels. This matches with almost all my outfits, like with jeans, with frock, with gown, with everything. Because this gives like these are plum heels, plum heels, whatever. It gives like cute princess aesthetic vibes, and I love the color. I feel it goes with everything, and it's so cute. So I got it. This actual price was around 600 something, and I got it on sale. I don't remember the actual price. I mean, I don't remember how much I paid for it, but I got it for sale and it was cute, so I just bought it. And then I have shoe from Zudio. This is more like a canvas kind of a shoe. I like the design, so I just got it, and I got it on a sale for $2.99. The actual price is $5.99. I got it in half price, and this is totally worth for like 300 bucks. So yeah, I got this as well. I don't think I'll be wearing this because I don't want this to get dirty, but after I come back maybe I'll wear it. So yeah, this is all the stuff I got for my birthday as a birthday haul. I've been saving all of these dresses, a few of these dresses for years, thinking that I'll be wearing it soon, but that soon day never came. So yeah, that's it. That's all the things that I got. Now I'm going to color my hair and probably cut a little bit in the ends. I don't know, I'm not sure. But let's get into that. We'll color my hair, we'll put on a face mask, we'll have a little bit of a glow up moment. Okay, let's go.